to fix login error in National Rail. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and simply turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to your network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem with your login, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage and you want to scroll down again and navigate yourself to the National Rail application. Click on Show All. App we're looking for, simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be having any problem regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.